In this video, we will see how to use Book Creator. We will go to the Book Creator site that your teacher shared with you. Click on I am a student. You'll sign in with your Google account. And then it's going to ask you for a code. Your teacher will have a different code than this. This happens to be a code that I had used, so please get your code from your teacher. And click Go, and you'll be allowed to make your own project. I'm going to go ahead and click New Book. That was just a practice one that I had started. I can choose one of these three or something down here. I'm just going to choose the square to start, and it's going to allow me to make something like a book. For the first page, I'm going to add my cover, and it's a pretty simple menu up here. I'll go to plus, and I could import things. I can add some different shapes. For now, I'm just going to add text and my main pages project. I can go back later and change some of the fonts and things if I'd like to. You did see an option for recording your voice. That's something you can do at a later date. Right now, we're just going to work on getting the project done. Alright, there is an undo button up here. The plus button will let us allow us to add photos and such. This will allow us to change the background, so if you don't like the plain background, you can certainly change that. This over here is our pages, and we can move it around if we get things out of order. We could also copy a page if we wanted to. I'm going to go to page 2 here, and my first phase was I was born. So I'm going to add some text. I was born. And I can move that around. I can turn that if I would like. I'm going to add another thing in just a minute. I'll put what the event was. I'm going to put the date. And then I want to add some media to it. So I want to know what the event was. A picture of that. I want a picture of the moon. So I'm going to go to Import. If you have something saved, that's great. Otherwise, there's a search bar right here. And I know that I might just search for a picture of a baby, because that's be showing that I was born. And this one looks great. I'm going to put that in here. I can change the size and I can rotate it around. I put that on there. And then I want to add a picture of the moon phase, and at that time it was a waning gibbous. You have to spell correctly. And it looked closest to this one. I choose that one and put that in there. Resize it. And then I'll add some more text, just so I know what it is. Now, being a book, it's looking like the font size isn't changing too much, but I think if you were maybe to look around, oh, there it is. There's the I would let me change the font size a little easier there. Okay, and you can change a lot of different things. I'm done with that page. I'm on to the next one. So I go up here to Pages, and I go click on the third page. I add some more things, and then you will be able to add more pages as we go through. So that is a quick look at Book Creator. This plus here will let you create new pages. So Book Creator, I think, will be a pretty good app for you to use for this project.